एक डायबिटिक पेशेंट को फ्रूट दिन कितना लेना चाहिए प्लीज? Yeah, the what he asked is how much of fruit intake is, yeah, very wonderful question, Inam. It's a nice question actually. The fruit consumption, according to the American Diabetes Association recommendations, the dietary fruit consumption should be 200 grams a day in two divided servings. That is 100 grams in the morning, 100 grams in the night is the best. And one more question. See, how about Narayan Vijay Oh, my good friend Narayan, how are you? See, how about brown rice? Yeah, brown rice can be taken, but you have to moderate the quantity of brown rice. Along with a zawar roti, you can take some brown rice in the buttermilk or in the rasam. So, because we are rice eaters, so we cannot totally avoid rice. Either we can take brown rice or even take this particular basmati rice, which is of low glycemic index, I have told you. And again, Narayanan has asked vegetables to be avoided in diabetes. Only vegetable that is to be avoided is the potato. That's it. Okay. You totally quit potato and potato products, especially like the finger fries, the fried potatoes, the mashed potatoes, and the potato chips. You completely take out. Once in a while you can have potatoes. That's good. And I think that clarifies Mr. Narayan Vijayaraghavan, who is a good friend of mine for the last 2 decades. He works in the pharma industry only. Yes. Any other questions? I don't find the questions are not popping up. Okay. So anybody has any queries, please feel free to ask me. I am glad to answer the questions, please. So then I think nobody has any questions, like okay, and no question is popping up. And then I just conclude by saying the traditional Indian Namaste. This time we have to, from here onwards, we should inculcate the habit of Namaste, the traditional Namaste, Indian Namaste. Say bye bye to the shake hands or the handshakes. Please, no hugs, no shake hands, no handshakes, please. Only namaste. From a distance, you keep namaste. That is good old Indian tradition. Again, we have to get back to the good old Indian traditions. We should inculcate all those things. And how about beetroot? Yeah, beetroot can be taken, not an issue. Beetroot can be taken, definitely, but not fried, not deep fried. And one more thing I have forgotten to tell. Try to avoid peeling the vegetables or the fruits. Please don't peel any vegetable. Like what they generally do with the bitter gourd or the bottle gourd or any vegetable you find, you want to make it like Tirupati. You go, yeah, the clean shave gundu becomes like okay. You don't make vegetable like gundu or peel off what is required. The upper the layer itself contains lot of fiber, and by peeling what you are doing is you are taking out the good stuff and putting in the dustbin, and what is supposed to be put in the dustbin you are putting in the dustbin called stomach. So never peel any vegetable, never peel any fruit. I have seen people peeling off even the apples for the fear of the pesticides. The best way to prevent ourselves from the pesticide poisoning is when you get the vegetables, when you get the leafy vegetables, when you get the fruits from the market, you put it in 3 separate big buckets, and you clean with water first. Then you put in one bucket fruits, one bucket leafy vegetables, one bucket this vegetables, and you put 4 or 5 spoons of salt, and after wait for 2 hours, and everything will be cleansed by this salt. Salt is a very good cleanser of the dirt and the pesticide content that goes about, and after that you just wash the vegetables or the leafy vegetables or fruits in the running tap water. You get it dried under the fan for half an hour. Then you sort out and you just keep it in the refrigerator. That's what. So, and I thank all the listeners for your kind and wonderful attention and for patient listening. Once again, this is a traditional Corona Namaste. Please remember this and follow this. Thank you so much.